the previous video, I gave you an overview of Desense and our simulation workflow. Geared towards new and advanced users, this tutorial series covers the latest technologies and best practices to mitigate RF Desense for wireless electronics devices in ANSYS HFSS and EMIT. Before we commence our Desense workflow, a quick word on how to use this tutorial. First, in ANSYS Electronics Desktop, you need to activate the EMIT design type. So on the Desktop tab, click General Options. On the Desktop Configuration panel, press the Beta Options button. Enable EMIT Design. The project files for this tutorial series are in the Examples directory. Open the Tutorial folder within the EMIT subdirectory. Choose the AEDT design to open it. You'll see this project named IoT Board Desense with two solved HFSS 3D layout designs. In the video series, you will see me operate from a single design. Since both the designs provided for you are pre-solved, you can skip the steps of solving these boards in HFSS 3D layout. Eventually, you will link the nominal design to EMIT, configure the systems, and run a simulation in EMIT. When the time comes to link the improved design to EMIT, simply delete the existing nominal board from EMIT and replace it with the improved design. At that stage, you can reassign the ports for the existing systems. This will be clear once you watch our video series. The tutorial is structured to help you get the most out of EMIT and HFSS 3D layout. The next part examines the Desense workflow.